with Axiom Equipment, account manager for Eastern Canada. Here to show you the DLT-18HD. This is the 18 kVA or 15 kilowatt light tower. A couple of unique features we got about this unit is it does have a built-in load bank, and this helps prevent the engine from wet stacking when you're running lights only. This unit can be controlled from your phone, started and stopped through the deep sea electronics controller, which we'll get to. But to kick off, we've got 28-foot mast, 360-degree rotating at ground level, 166,000 lumen output through the 350-watt LEDs. The deep sea electronics controller is here. So this connects to your phone. You can start and stop the unit from your phone. You have all of your telematics. You can oil pressure, fuel gauge, everything on your phone. This indicates that the load bank is on, mass control up and down, your lights, and then this turns on a internal service light on the inside of the canopy. And then on the inside of the canopy, as you can see, we've got the light turned on. We have the battery disconnect fuel fill, which is inside. And this unit is also equipped with 110% fluid containment. The base of the unit comes with fork pockets, as well as a lift bail on the top for maneuvering it around on site or loading on and off a truck. Around on this side here, we have the service ports for the engine oil and the coolant drains. Just ease of access, makes it a lot easier to work on. And then on this side inside the canopy, we've got access to the fuel filter and the oil filter. Again, we've got the internal light, and the battery is situated in here with a battery blanket. This unit is equipped with a 250-liter fuel tank and gives you up to 62 hours of runtime on a single tank of fuel. It's also equipped with 4 20-watt or 20-amp plugs, 2 30-amp plugs, and 1 50-amp. And then you've got your start-stop or your emergency stop here. Again, Kyle Evans with Axiom Equipment, showing you the DLT-18HD. Thanks again for watching.